Saturday, 6th April 2024. Saturday with an octave of Easter. Focus. Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for he is good, for his steadfast love endures forever. Adults who have been orphaned as children are seemingly made differently. Indeed, it can be a big blow if father and mother die together or in quick succession, leaving a void that cannot be filled. The child realizes that life will never be the same again. Those who have been orphaned young know the pain of it, especially being utterly deprived of love. Strangely, we Christians often behave like orphans. Do we not realize, amidst life's trials and tribulations, that we have a Heavenly Father who loves us deeply? Perhaps it is easier to wallow in our own misery than try and face reality. In today's Gospel, the apostles also behaved like children suddenly orphaned, mourning and weeping over the crucifixion and death of Jesus. They refused to accept the truth of the resurrection despite the credible testimony of Mary Magdalene and the two disciples returning from Emmaus. So much so that Jesus himself had to rebuke them for their unbelief and hardness of heart. But when the Jewish leaders saw the boldness of Peter and John and perceived that they were uneducated, common men, they were astonished. Perhaps they were amazed because the apostles were no longer behaving like orphans. Fruit: let me never feel or act like an orphan, but place my confidence in the Father's enduring love.